Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Understanding AI, From Magic to Math. AI isn't magic. It's about creating computer programs that can solve problems and learn from data. Much like how you learn to ride a bike through practice and feedback. We'll explore what AI really means, separate fact from fiction, and look at real-world examples. Think of data as the ingredients in a recipe. AI systems eat data, images, text, numbers, to learn patterns. The more data, the better the AI system usually performs. We'll discuss different types of data and how they're structured for AI use, like organizing ingredients for baking a cake. Algorithms are the instructions or recipes that tell the computer how to learn from the data. These are sets of mathematical rules that the computer follows. Think of sorting numbers from smallest to largest. That's a simple algorithm. AI algorithms are more complex but share the same core concept. Machine learning is a type of AI where the computer learns from data without being explicitly programmed for each specific task. It's like showing a child many pictures of cats and dogs and letting them figure out the differences themselves. We will cover basic ML concepts. Neural networks are inspired by the human brain. They are complex algorithms that process data through interconnected layers, similar to how neurons communicate in our brain. We'll use a simplified analogy to visualize their function, avoiding complex mathematical details. Let's explore practical uses of AI you encounter every day, like recommendations on streaming services, spam filters, and self-driving cars. This section shows how the math and algorithms translate into tangible applications. We'll briefly introduce tools and resources to get you started on a simple AI project. This will give you a glimpse of what building an AI application looks like in practice. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.